Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the next Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is just around the corner. But the latest leaks, it will happen sometime in mid-July, more specifically on July 30. So Samsung is set to announce a bunch of products at the event. However, ahead of that, we got a fresh look at the Galaxy Watch 8 series, including Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic and the new Watch Ultra. So, looking at the watches, all features the spherical design that we first saw on Galaxy Watch Ultra last year. Anyway, this is also in line with the earlier leaked renders. Still, Samsung managed to make them look differentiated from each other. So, looking at the Galaxy Watch 8, it will have a clean looking bezel around the screen. For the Watch 8 Classic, it will feature the beloved physical rotating bezel, though its band design looks weird to me. Honestly, compared to this, I kinda like the one on the Galaxy Watch 8. Earlier, an eBay listing also shared the real-life look of the same watch. While the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is confirmed to bear the name Watch Ultra 2025, not the Ultra 2, it will retain its sporty look with that orange accent around the bezel. The all three watches will sport W1000 chipset like the original Galaxy Watch Ultra. So, for the new Watch Ultra 2025, we can say it is not a full-fledged second gen of Watch Ultra, but instead may come with minor tweaks, and that's probably why they named it Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. On the sides, we can sport both the Watch 8 Classic and Watch Ultra feature an additional quick button for launching apps and workouts. Now, for the sizes, the Galaxy Watch 8 is said to come in two sizes, a 40mm version with 1.31 inches screen size, while for the 44mm, the screen size is very slightly shrunk to 1.47 inches. Its predecessor came with 1.5 inches screen size. The other two watches will be one size fits all, and that will be most likely 46mm. Next, luckily we also have a sneak peek of their battery capacities. And according to that, the Watch 8 with 40mm will feature 325 mAh of battery compared to its predecessor's 300 mAh, while the 44mm variant will come with 435 mAh and improvement of 10 mAh. So we can say not huge upgrades, but yeah, we are talking about the battery, so even a bit of juice is welcome. For the Watch 8 Classic, which is going to be a bigger 46mm, it is set to feature 435 mAh of battery. Now, it could be bigger, but I think because of its complex design like rotating bezel, which might be taking more space internally. So, the whole Galaxy Watch series with spherical design. What do you think about it? Share your thoughts below in the comment section. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.